Experiencing problems with your Red Pocket Mobile GSMA service on the AT&T network? These issues commonly stem from APN settings, VoLTE compatibility, device whitelisting, or unlock status. First, ensure your APN is correctly set to NXT Gen Phone, case sensitive. This is crucial for data connectivity. Navigate to your phone's settings, find Mobile Networks, then APN settings, and manually enter NXT Gen Phone. Second, verify VoLTE is enabled to make calls. Go to your phone's settings under Network and Internet, SIMs, and ensure VoLTE is toggled on. If calls default to Wi-Fi calling, VoLTE may be the issue. If these steps don't resolve the issue, proceed to the next section. If APN and VoLTE settings are correct, but problems persist, your device might not be on Red Pocket's whitelist or may require unlocking. Check your phone's IMEI on Red Pocket's website to confirm whitelist compatibility. Non-whitelisted devices might experience service disruptions, especially after AT&T's 3G shutdown. Finally, ensure your device is fully unlocked. Red Pocket typically requires devices to be unlocked for full functionality. While newer FCC rulings mandate easier unlocks, prepaid users may still face delays. Contact Red Pocket support for assistance with unlocking, or use a third-party service if necessary. If problems continue after these steps, contact Red Pocket support for a SIM swap.